Ta-da! Flying noodles! Hello everyone! Today we are going to make something special. I am Sue and she's my little partner. Rainbow! Rainbow! How to do the Chow Mein in vegan version. We are going to use vegan chicken. What is the vegan chicken? What I'm going to use? And also how to do this. Ta-da! Flying noodles. Nanda is flying. See, no wire. It's the magic. Let's get started. Let's prepare our veggies. Today I'm using choy mein. Cut the stalks in 4 sections. Green onions we divide into green and white part. Green bell pepper, julienne. Red bell pepper, julienne again. If you want to know how to cut bell peppers in no waste, click the link. This is my chicken today, vegan nugget. Put it into oven according to package instruction. Look at the color. Do you hear how crispy is that? I cut them into half. Okay, let's start to cook our flying chow mein. First, we turn on the heat. 1-2 tablespoons of oil, ginger, shallots, garlic, white part of spring onion. Have a quick stir. 係喎，好叻喎 Rainbow。Smells so nice。係喎。And now we can put our peppers, bell peppers, the green and red. Have a quick stir. At this moment, we can season a little bit of sea salt. Look at the color, so beautiful. 媽媽幫你開。係喎，自己飲水係咪啊？And add the rest of the veggies. Choy mein. Choy mein，呢個俾條咧，俾條咧。係喎。Continue to cook and stir until vegetables are tender. It's about 1 to 2 minutes. The veggie becomes softer. Then we can add Chow Mein. Add around the wok. Ooh. Have a quick stir. Ooh. Pour our noodles. I'm using this noodle. I'm changing this. It's easier to handle. We can add our sauce. I will put these ingredients here and the link. Oh. Wow, Rainbow. And change to medium to high heat. Mix well. Wow. Oh, 好靚嗰啲顏色係咪Rainbow? Have a quick mix. Then we can add our bean sprout, green part of spring onion. Mix well. As spring sprouts and spring onion only take 30 seconds to cook, we put lastly. Looks so good. See the red color, green color, and also some white spring sprouts. When you see the green sprouts a little bit softer, then we can add our vegan chicken. Vegan chicken. Save time on marinating. Turn the heat to medium to low. Mix it well. This is a very quick dish. You have to try and it is very delicious. You don't have to marinate, and also already have some taste inside. It's so good. Okay, turn off the heat. Look at that. And next step, we are going to do our flying noodles. Flying Chow Mein. Flying Chow Mein. Yeah, so we only need this bamboo sticks, 2 bamboo sticks, half of the potato, or you can use apple, something that can eat, and half. And also 1 fork. This is what we need. Yeah, let's start it. 好啦，我哋開始整我哋嘅麵麵啦。First, put the potato here, flat side down. Add some noodles. Oh. You really can't see the potato. That is the base. Dun, 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 dun. And now we have to put some noodles. Let me add some toppings here. 1 chicken, the red color, some bean sprout, some chicken here, veggies. Voila! Dun 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 dun. Wow! Ah! Wow! You can always cook to your kids. I think they will be very happy and excited. Yeah, happy! So exciting, right? If you like this video, don't forget to give us a like. And if you love this video, please subscribe and you will see us more. Chow Mein. And what is the